everyone, this is Neha Soni and I'm your social science teacher. So we have started with history from class 6 and we have done our first chapter, what, where, how and when, and it was very interesting to know the things of our earlier man. And now we will do the exercise. Okay, so here we begin. So our first question, we have to match the followings. Okay, so here are some sites have been given to you and we have to match with these. So Narmada Valley, if we talk about Narmada Valley, it was known for, yes, it was known for the skills hunting and gathering. The early man have started hunting and gathering. Okay, and next Magad. Magad was the first traditional powerful kingdom of India. So we have to match it with this. If we talk about Garo Hills, so the evidence found of early agriculture with this. So here the evidence found of early agriculture. And if we talk about Indus and its tributaries, so Indus and its tributaries nearby the area where first cities were developed, and two cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, as we discussed in our chapter earlier, in our earlier videos. And if we talk about Ganga Valley, so cities later Indus and its civilization, cities about 2500 years has established near the banks of Ganga and its tributaries. So Ganga Valley is famous for the cities about 2500 years ago. Next question is question number 2. We have to list one major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. Okay, so here are the answer. Manuscripts usually written on a soft surface, as I told you, like palm leaves and the bark of birch tree used to make manuscripts, and they tied these pages and make a book. And if we talk about inscripts, usually written on hard surface like stone, metal or a baked clay, and it is difficult to write on a hard surface, so they have to need pointed tools to write on inscriptions. So next, if we talk about question number 3, so here is return to Rashida's question. Do you remember the question of it? Yes. Could anyone know what had happened so many years before? So it was a question of Rashida, and can you think some answers to it? Can you give some answers to Rashida's questions? Yes, we can give some answers to Rashida's questions. And here are, because by the help of manuscripts and inscriptions, we can find out about what had happened so many years before. And other things are like, by many other things, remains of buildings made of stone or bricks, and by paintings and sculpture and tools, weapons and utensils were found by the archaeologists. And if we talk about the coins and bones of animals, and the archaeologists also look after that, so we can find out about what had happened so many years before by the help of these things. Okay, so next, make a list of all objects that archaeologists may find. हमें लिस्ट बनानी है, आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट किन किन चीज़ों को ढूंढ सकते हैं उनकी. विच ऑफ दीज कुड बी मेड ऑफ स्टोन, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड विच ऑफ दीज कुड बी मेड ऑफ स्टोन. सो हियर इज माई आंसर. There are so many objects found by archaeologists, and here is the list of them. Remains of building. Okay, so they found the evidence of remains of building, painting and sculptures, tools and weapons, utensils, ornaments, okay, and coins, bones of animals, manuscripts, inscripts and stamps. And the things were made of stone are like remains of building, because buildings were made of stone or bricks, and sculpture, paintings, like paintings on stones and inscriptions, walls, and by the help of tools, stone tools, weapons of stone, ornaments of stone, and inscriptions on a hard surface which are made of stone. So these are the things which were made of stone. Next, if we talk about question number 5, in this, why do you think ordinary men and women did not generally keep records of what they did? Why? We have to answer it. So in our views, the knowledge and education is almost limited to higher class, and that is the reason they are not knowledgeable how to make inscription, and they did not think that it is very necessary for them and it is very useful. So generally ordinary people such as hunters, fishing folks, fishers, gatherers, farmers or herders, they did not think that it was useful for them to keep their records of day-to-day life. Okay, so here is question number 6. Describe at least 2 ways in which you think the life of kings would have been different from those of farmers. Farmers की life different होती है and kings had a different lifestyle. So now we can answer it in our words, like kings have a different lifestyle and farmers have a different lifestyle. So kings, they used to live in palaces, and if we talk about farmers, they have to live in farm and hut was made of wood. Okay, and king fight for his kingdom and give security to the people. And if we talk about farmers, farmers grew crops for king and others. So this is the 2 major difference between king and farmers. So now we have done in this exercise and we have complete our chapter number 1. I hope you learned so many things in this chapter, and we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care of your health and studies. Good day.